Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss the three numerical that is related to the chapter classification of solid. First MCQs, that is we discuss that the which property best distinguish crystalline solid from amorphous solid. Option is given: chemical composition, color of solid, arrangement of particles, density. We know that crystalline solid have a regular repeating arrangements of particles, while if we discuss about the amorphous solid, while amorphous regular repeating arrangement of particle, while amorphous solid have a random arrangement only. So here is the correct option is the option C, that is the arrangement of particle shows that that is the crystalline solid or amorphous solid. Okay, now we move to the second MCQs. Second MCQs, that is asked that the which solid shows isotropic behavior due to its internal structure: quartz, sodium chloride, diamond, and glass. We know that glass is an amorphous solid. Glass is an amorphous solid because its particles are arranged randomly. Its physical properties are same in all direction, making it isotropic. So our correct option is the option D, that is the glass. Okay, now we move to the third MCQs. A solid that melt over a range of temperature and break into irregular pieces is most likely the ionic solid, metallic solid, crystalline solid, and amorphous solid. We know that amorphous solid do not have a sharp melting point and lack cleavage planes, so they break into irregular shapes. So our correct option is the option D, that is the amorphous solid that is break into irregular pieces and melt over a range of temperature because it does not contain the atom that arrange in a regular arrangement. Atoms are arranged randomly. So that is all we discuss about the three physics MCQs that is related to the classification of solid. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.